Good morning, folks. Southwest 737. This flight, Southwest 737, bound for Dallas Love Field. The current time right now is going on about 11 or 10:50. We're looking at about an hour and a half flight time, but I can get it done in about an hour and 20 minutes at the most. We're just about ready. We got all of our paperwork filed, and we will be underway. Some of you might be used to the turn, that immediate left turn, but today we do not have that turn. We're going straight. We're almost straight off of just about the opposite runway, so we won't have to turn so aggressively. So yeah, sit back, relax, and enjoy this hour and 45 minutes while we give you that Southwest hospitality. All right, y'all. As you can see, we are just ready. Just need to get get the tug going. See, I put 300 in there. Yeah. Okay. I can't put anything shorter though. 300 to the taxiway line over there. Let's go. We're ready. What's the recall showing? Of course, the regular Joe Schmo stuff. Alright. Ready to go. We'll get that jet bridge away from us. Set jocks real quick. Go away. That's what our jetway looks like today. I got a Southwest pack for my home airport. Out of Paso. And there it goes. You see we're flying Canyon Blue. Alright, let's get it. This will be pushback to climb out. I'll give y'all maybe 15 minutes. Alright. Release the brakes. Alright. This is one of my favorite views right here. It's kind of where I sit most of the time, like just behind the engine, but still on top of the engine. Here we are. Air conditioning off. We're going to be packs off. There goes our N2. Got to hit about 20 before we incorporate the fuel. You probably can't hear it. It's very quiet, but it's got a little bit of a startup sound to it. This is the left side. Alright. Number one is start. We got a good start. We get the continuous going.
Pushback complete. Parking brake, please.
Parking brake set.
Brake set.
Let's go auto. Let it stable out for a second. Then close.
Alright, steering pin is disconnected. Watch for the slip release from guidance on your left.
There you go. There's the rights. Got your pressure over there. Now for number two, or the number one engine, sorry. Fuel. That 300 was perfect. Put us right on the taxiway line. That, unless that's another plane, I've only been setting up for about 20 minutes. And that plane, when I first got here, maybe 10 minutes ago, was taxiing that way. I don't know what are they doing over there. Do we have a good start? Yes, we do. Good start. Let's go continuous over there. Give it a second. Let's put the generators on the engines. Flaps 5. Let me shut that off and get this out of the way. And then to put that back on auto. Bada bing, bada boom. Alright. Let's get ground. We taxi into runway 4, which is a very short taxi. Less than 2 minutes. Runway 4 is right there. Just off of my right wing. I did the usual Dallas left field starter pack, full weight or fully loaded. As y'all can see, 143 passengers. Our gross weight is 133,000. All right, what do we got? We have flaps 5, 125, green, flaps 5 here. And on our takeoff sheet, or thingamajig, not a sheet, but on the FMC, our takeoff is flaps 5. So we're good. Get that brake off and let's go. I'm gonna use the number 1 engine only. Ain't that just the side that I love looking the way the engine moves. All right. We don't need window heats. It ain't that cold out here. Oh, taxiway glitching here. The jumping. This plane used to have the glitch where it'll, or on my takeoff roll, doing 100 knots, it'll do that, and like the plane lurches and jumps, and it might throw me off the center line, and I have to get adjusted and all that. But see, we're already at the runway right there. You know what? I want to go for a special takeoff here. I'm gonna back taxi this little piece right here. We get on the runway and back taxi.
El Paso Tower, Southwest
Let's
737
get
and
our
runway
runway
4
turn
ready
off
for departure
lights.
IFR to Dallas Love. Southwest 737, altimeter 29.902, winds
299er.
cleared for
I put
takeoff, runway 4.
99er.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 4, Southwest 737.
Let's get our TCAS on here. Let's get traffic. A clear left. And clear right. Let's go. Wing lights on. Strobes. And steady. Oh, brakes. There we go. I've seen a few planes do this before, so I'll give it a shot.
Air Shuttle 6309er, turn next taxiway.
Trying to gently brake.
Air Shuttle 6309er, turn next taxiway.
Does that not look cool? Alright, let's start the clock. Ready?
Air Shuttle 6309er, exit runway when able.
%. Thrust set. 80 knots. Going outside.
Air Shuttle 6309er, exit runway when able. V1, rotate.
I had to hit that view real quick.
Southwest 737, contact Albuquerque Center on 128.2. Good day. Air Shuttle 6309er, exit runway when able. Going to 128.2, Southwest 737.
Going flaps up.
Southwest 3210, heavy contact approach on
Cleaning up.
104.25. Good day. Albuquerque Center, Southwest 737 is passing 5,900 feet, climbing 13,000 feet. Southwest 737, Albuquerque Center, altimeter 29.902, radar contact, continue to Jim Pass.
230.
Albuquerque Center, American 2198 Heavy is passing flight level tree 25,
I don't know why that transmission sounds so bad.
124.25 Southwest Street 210 heavy.
Alright, let's see what our N1 options are for today. Give us that, please. So as soon as I click it on, we'll go right there. And as you see, we are crossing through our 10,000. Why does it sound so weird? What do you...
Southwest 737 climb and maintain flight level 270.
What? I've never heard auto throttle do that before.
270 Southwest 737.
Like fidget with the gas like that? I've never heard this thing do this before. Alright, climb thrust. I don't know what that was, but I kid you not, I've never heard the plane do that before. 75. Go to the bottom of the TV. Let me see if I can get y'all to the top without the thing falling over.
Southwest
There we go.
737 contact Albuquerque Center on 132.65. Good day.
Going to 132.65 Southwest 737. Albuquerque Center Southwest 737 is at 14,600 feet, climbing flight level 270.
Southwest 737 Albuquerque Center altimeter 29.92 radar contact. Continue to KDAC.
Let's go ahead and hit standard on there before it starts yelling at us, or AK just going yellow. There we go. Go ahead and take the lights off. The wings off. There we go. Any recalls? What about first officer? Nope. Okay. The cruise altitude is 39 today. They can, Dallas is of course no more than 300 feet because it's basically on the water. 100 and something miles from the water, but still like 300 or so feet. All right, 6 minutes in, climbing through 18 and a half, 275. And I kind of do like 3 steps. As soon as I hit 20,000 feet or above, I'll set the speed to 318 knots. So by the time I accelerate and get up into the around 27,000 feet, where I believe when it switches from knots to Mach, I'll be at Mach 7.8. All right, 319 knots. That's what it looks like from here. It's picking up.
Climb and maintain 16,000 feet. Southwest tree 210 heavy. Southwest tree 210 heavy, descend and maintain 6,000 feet.
If I look down, yeah, of course, you got your stripes down there. This is the old Southwest drum. You know, I wish they had more Southwest liveries on this one. I wish they had like the New Mexico ones, the golden or the desert gold one. I wish they had more colors on this. On
Southwest 737, contact Albuquerque Center on 135.875. Good day.
135.875 Southwest
no, I didn't check
737.
weather on the way or before we took off, so I don't know what the weather is like en route. So when I get off this video, I'm
Albuquerque
gonna
Center
take a look at
Southwest
it.
737 is at flight level 210, climbing flight level 270.
Alright, on this, I'm gonna put it back on auto. Now that you can't hear the buzz, it's not gonna matter. But it sounds like 100% in one on a regular 737. Thank you for watching. God bless you. And I'll see you on the landing.